welcome back to the channel. Um, Today is July 22nd. We're solving an easy question, sorted people. We're finally getting out from the 2D metrics. So let's look at the question. So the question is simple. You're given a bunch of names and then the corresponding of their height, and then you want to return the name in the descending order by their height. So given like Mary is 180 and then John is 165, Emma is 170, you want to return where Mary is the tallest, and then it's Emma, and then it's John. Okay, so the two ways, the multiple ways actually. There are multiple ways to do this, and then I'll just show you one simple way and then one fancy way, right? So one way is that you can make them to be a tuple. So it means that you can do Mary and then 180 and then John 165. So by doing that, I can do like a people and then set that equals to zip. So zip is making it to be a tuples, names and heights, right? And then we want to make them to be a list. So now you have a list that if I print this out, I like to show how it looks like. So you see this is one tuple of Mary 180 and then John 165 and Emma 170. And then you can sort this, right? So you can do people sort. And then you're giving them some key of telling the program what do you want to sort on, right? So do key equals to lambda x. This is how you do it. And then x1 means that you're sorting on the height. And then since sorting will just give you an ascending order and you want a descending order, so you set reverse equals to true. By default, reverse will be equals to false, right? And then now you have, let's print the people again. Then you can see just now John, Mary, John, Emma. Now you get Mary, Emma, John. And then we only want the names. So you go ahead and return. We want to return a list of names. So we can say for person in people, we want to just return the name. So we just return person 0. So 0 is the name and 1 is the height. So let's remove this print statement. Let's run it. And let's submit this. Right. This is the way to doing this. Or you can do it in a fancy way. You're just using one line. So you can just return name because we want the name for name and heights in a sorted. So we sort it. There's two ways of doing sort. You can do people sort or sort it, and then put people into it. So we want sorted the zip of names and heights, right? And then we want the key equals to lambda x, and then we sort on 1, and then we want reverse equals to true. We run this, and then we submit this. Right, the video is for today is short. I hope you learned something today, and feel free to go through different ways of solving this question. As you can try sorting, you can try using selection sort or whatever sorting methods you like, or even using a map. So have fun trying that, and I'll see you tomorrow.